Hey guys, let's see how to turn off Face ID on iPhone. I'm using here an iPhone 11, but it works for any iPhone. Just come here to settings and then scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode. And then just enter your passcode to get into the screen. So here you have the Face ID and passcode screen. And you can just disable here iPhone unlock, iTunes and App Store, contactless and payment, password fill, and also other apps. Just come here and disable anything that you want. Super simple. If your app is not here, you can come directly to the app. So just go to the main screen, find your app. Let's say this one, for example. I just click and hold. And then I have this option to don't require Face ID. Okay, so I just tap on it. And now you just need to confirm this. Let me just try Face ID again. There we go. I just look at the phone and then it got my face. And now when I tap here, I just need to enable again if I want to require Face ID because it's no longer using Face ID. So super simple. That's the way you can turn off Face ID on iPhone. This one is the iPhone 11, but it works with any iPhone. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.